SHANTUI Group, as the world's largest manufacturer of bulldozers, has a history of more than 40 years. In the aspects of products R&D, manufacture and after-sales can be customized to meet any customer need. SHANTUI has a complete product series, and SHANTUI's complete line of dozers can be customized to meet any customer need. SHANTUI brand products have been sold to more than 150 countries and regions around the world. The J-Series and K-Series hydrostatic bulldozers and the hydraulic SD32DQ Plus dozer are SHANTUI Group's latest launched products. Their outstanding features of maturity and stability, excellent power, and efficient performance are the ideal equipment in your job. J-Series. A careful balance of power and fuel efficiency is a brilliant feature when designing J-Series product. J-Series hydrostatic bulldozers, equipped with Cummins electronic-controlled engines, meet Tier 3 Stage 3A emission standard with outstanding power, fuel economy, and durability. A spacious cab provides roomy comfort and excellent visibility to the blade. It has the function of ROPS/FOPS, securing the operators from the unexpected danger in work. It is also equipped with the air suspension Grammar seat featuring a cloth cover and high back, adjustable headrest, backrest extension, comfortable touch-feeling fabric, and a fully supported footrest. The driver's seat is equipped with a sensor which can shut down the engine if the operator leaves the seat, and thus enhancing safety. The temperature-controlled fan, driven by the hydraulic motor, automatically adjusts speed to match engine operating conditions, consuming less power, boosting fuel efficiency, and reducing noise. The large high-definition 7-inch in-cab display facilitates the operator to check information at any time. The working condition of maintenance parts such as the air filter, engine oil filter, and hydraulic oil filter can be monitored by electronic sensor. The screen will show a warning symbol if the machine needs maintenance. An automatic fault diagnosis system monitors machine performance in real time and provides on-screen information to diagnose and resolve maintenance issues. The standard-equipped air conditioner can keep the temperature more comfortable. A hinged hood door provides convenient access for inspection and maintenance of the engine, filters, main valve, hydraulic filter, and battery fuse box. Centralized pressure test ports that were once scattered about the machine are now grouped on the pressure measurement block and symbolized clearly. Make it easy and convenient to run diagnostic tests, reducing downtime caused by running fault diagnostics. The J-Series, employing a double-loop hydrostatic drive system, can start up smoothly and delivers steady power and performance through any changes in speed or direction, even full rotation around vehicle center. The power control system delivers optimum engine output based on job demands, preventing the stalling of the engine due to overload. It provides the most suitable working speed, reducing the fuel consumption and being qualified to your any demand. J-Series dozers are equipped with SHANTUI power angle tilt blades that provide easy lift, tilt and rotation to handle any job demands. Penetration angle can be adjusted manually. The arc-shaped blade provides ample blade capacity, excellent soil turnover, high cutting forces, and optimum blade angle. The shovel blade uses highly wear-resistant material and reversible design. When one edge becomes worn, the other edge can be reversed for being used again, thus saving your cost. In the aspect of maneuver, J-Series dozers adopt ergonomic joysticks, blade speed, and deceleration mode, are customizable to suit operator preferences and job site demands. Single pedal control of deceleration and braking makes Dozer operation easy and efficient. In the aspect of safety, the protection level of the machine's electrical circuits reach to IP67. Oil temperature, oil pressure, and water temperature alarms provide early trouble warnings. The added reverse alarm provides audible proximity warning. Work lights located above the cab provide job site illumination. The optional rear camera gives the operator excellent clear and wider view on the in-cab LCD monitor, which provides a clearer and wider vision. SHANTUI is driven by a spirit of innovation with its focus on science and technology. SHANTUI creates intelligent, world-class products that build the future.